Hey there, game makers. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of game development? Well, get ready, because I'm pretty thrilled to announce that I'm creating a Complete GDevelop Bootcamp series. In this series, designed especially for beginners, I'll be covering everything you need to know to start making games right now. From the very basics of setting up GDevelop to creating your first game, and even advanced techniques for added polish and flair, this series has got you covered. Whether you're a complete novice or have some experience under your belt, my easy-to-follow tutorials will take you step by step through the process of creating your own amazing games. No prior coding knowledge required, I promise. So what are you waiting for? Join me in the Complete GDevelop Bootcamp series, and let's start making games together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Remember, happy game making! And I'll see you in the next video.